Plant FAQs. Philodendron 69686. Philodendron 69686. Unveiling the three-lobed beauty. Hi everyone, Philodendron here. Today we're diving into the world of a fascinating plant, the Philodendron 69686. This unique specimen has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts with its stunning, three-lobed leaves. But beyond its captivating looks, the Philodendron 69686 offers easy care and a touch of the exotic to your indoor space. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron 69686? The Philodendron 69686 isn't your typical houseplant. Unlike its well-defined philodendron cousins, the 69686 carries a numerical name due to its uncertain origins. Some believe it's a hybrid, while others suggest it might be a unique, unidentified species. Regardless of its lineage, this philodendron boasts beautiful, rounded leaves with three distinct lobes. The central lobe is often the longest, creating an elegant, asymmetrical silhouette. Philodendron 69686 versus Joepii. When I compare Philodendron 69686 to Joepii, I see them as two very distinct plants, each with their own unique charm. The Philodendron 69686 has this stunning leaf pattern that's really intricate and eye-catching, making it a showstopper in any room. On the other hand, Philodendron Joepii has a more elongated, almost whimsical leaf shape that adds a quirky, playful vibe to my collection. Both have their own care requirements, but I find the 69686 a bit more forgiving when it comes to watering, which suits my sometimes forgetful nature. It's hard to choose a favorite since they both bring such different aesthetics and energy to my space. Philodendron 69686 versus Mexicanum. Comparing Philodendron 69686 to Mexicanum, the differences in leaf structure and overall appearance are quite striking. The 69686, with its detailed variegation and lush green hues, feels almost luxurious and refined. Philodendron Mexicanum, however, offers these long, sleek leaves that are reminiscent of tropical rainforests, giving off a more exotic vibe. Caring for them has been a learning experience. While the 69686 enjoys a bit more humidity and indirect light, the Mexicanum seems to thrive in slightly different conditions, which keeps things interesting. Each plant brings its own character to my collection, and I love having that diversity in my home. Caring for your Philodendron 69686. The good news is, the Philodendron 69686 is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here's how to keep your three-lobed beauty thriving. Light. This philodendron prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your Philodendron 69686 when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common enemy, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal. If your environment is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture formulated specifically for aroids, plants in the Araceae family, which includes philodendrons. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a diluted liquid fertilizer once a month can provide a gentle boost. Philodendron 69686. More than just a pretty face. Beyond its captivating looks, the Philodendron 69686 offers several benefits. Air purification. Like many houseplants, the 69686 helps remove toxins from the air, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Low maintenance. This easy-to-care-for plant is perfect for busy plant parents or those new to the hobby. Conversation starter. The unique three-lobe leaves are sure to spark curiosity and conversation among your guests. Finding your Philodendron 69686. While not as ubiquitous as some philodendrons, the 69686 is gaining popularity. Here are some tips for finding your own. Online plant retailers. Many online plant stores offer the Philodendron 69686. Do your research and choose a reputable seller with healthy plants. Local plant nurseries. Some nurseries might carry the 69686. It's always worth checking with your local plant haven. Plant swap events. These events are a fantastic way to connect with other plant enthusiasts and potentially find a Philodendron 69686 through trade. The final leaf. The Philodendron 69686 is a captivating plant that offers a unique combination of beauty and ease of care. With its stunning three-lobed leaves and fast-growing nature, it's sure to become a cherished addition to your indoor jungle. So, if you're looking for a conversation starter and an air-purifying companion, consider welcoming the Philodendron 69686 into your home.